Well, about 2 years ago, we decided that we would have a strategic planning day, and one of the topics was better governance. And quite quickly we identified the IOD program as being likely to suit us.
You want something that's quick and simple and straightforward and is consistent. We looked at three alternatives for doing it, and we decided the IOD was the best system.
It was relatively informal, and one of the attractive things to us was a lot of the work could be done online.
In fact, I was in the Northern Hemisphere when I did my surveys. Late one night when I'd finished a hard day's work and sat down and was able to do it at my own speed, when I wanted to do it and how I wanted to do it.
We're able to engage with the process without having to travel to Wellington or undertake complex written questionnaires.
We get a view of how the board's going and whether there are any issues that may not surface otherwise.
That's triggered a process for us which is ongoing, and I think in the next year or so we're going to identify from the initial questionnaire some work that the board will do.
One review of a board is good, it gives you some information, but it becomes increasingly valuable year by year as you get a time series and you can see how things may be changing.
They showed us how we benchmarked against other boards of a similar size and style.
So year on year, you're getting more and more value out of it.
And straight away identified some areas where we may need to do some extra work.
They're very useful and quite comprehensive.
We were looking for something that was going to be reasonably efficient and not take up too much time, and I think the questionnaires and the process we went through achieved all of that.
We've used them to look at specifically whether there are any issues of process that we need to strengthen.
Setting up the process was really easy. We were all sent a link online, and one of the IOD staff came and conducted a workshop with us to work through the main findings, which was extremely helpful.
Setting up the Better Boards process is extremely easy and very painless from a chairman's point of view. I talked to my executive assistant at the company. She goes ahead and talks to the people at the institute, and the next thing that happens is I get an email with a web link, and away you go.